Tippity top of the morning to you vlickity vloggity. We are bickity backity with another one. If you not wonder where me there and why I'm not see my face, I'm telling you what happened. I filmed an introduction for this vlog, right? But the memory card of the camera was giving some problems prior to that, so I thought I had fixed the problem. Then I go so boom and film the introduction and everything was good, everything was alright. When we reach home and I check with the footage people, it was non-existent. It's like the footage dropping a black hole. But anyways, we're there, so we are at Vibes River. This is in St. Ann, and today we're there with Travis. So remember, Travis found the vlog when we go pick up the flask, and Travis bring a friend with him. So we are here at Vibes River. If you don't like to know where Vibes River there in a St. Ann, I don't know if I say it before, but you can check the Island Destinations app, and it will give you the details of how to get to Vibes River, along with other little things where you can see. But today we there, and we are gonna just chill and enjoy the little spot here. So I could go to Kevin, the footage where we did actually find on the other memory card. As you jump off of that, is swimming an easy pot. I don't know if you can see me, they kind of go in the water, you know, the currents of the river is rather strong. I could try step out in the water with the camera. Knowing my luck, it might go on, but let us see and hope and pray that I'm going to tighten up everything, make sure say everything lock in a place, and a foolery in a one. There's a little swing here. See that as well. $5 I'm going to jump off of that one. $5 US and no regular money. Oh, you should shake. What I'm doing, I don't advise that people who are YouTubers do them thing. Carry them big camera, expensive camera, come turn up in a Migla River. Because crashes can happen, you see. I want to trim me know. But so far the place just it's nice and chill. And we like the place where, you know, on a whole heap of crowd. So you're gonna like the whole heap of crowd vibe. But it's also a Friday. Nobody not really there, which is surprising. But me not complain. Yo, I always wonder like why the fishes them make it seem like it's a difficult thing to swim upstream. You know, when salmon and them thing they go back home. But no, me see say I really like the water powerful, brother. Because a little stream they feel like you want to kick with my foot. And then I bust up my face and them thing there. And go up with the string there so I can shiver boy. Lovely. One thing about me, you know my limits, you know, so you know, I catch me, I do nothing like me a superstar, but me I go try go like me a swimmer and chuck off. No, sir. Even with the life vest, I'm afraid. And life vest there for use, but he's a man now, me just, you know, maybe me try something, maybe I don't, but I don't force myself, brother. No, my limits, you understand? Hold on, I can't see if this is a focus or not, because I don't have my glasses. So if the footage look blurry, I should me have on my glasses to see if it's a focus or not. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Nice little pretty little hens, isn't he? Yes, man. We're still there, same way. But what the f*** am I going over there? I don't know what that was. Huh?
But you're not going to sit up in trouble.
Big swimmer. I think we're done now, right? Well, me done for the day. You know. Wash off my water and all of them something. This place is really chill. Like I said, just go to the island destinations app, and you will see like this. Download it, then a Play Store and all of them something. And this will be added there so that you know where to find it. I'm kind of hungry, I know still. The belly I make a weird sound, so definitely hungry. So I guess the next move after this is we get some food and then go home. Yeah. So we came and we saw the Vibes River. Again, we're going at water and with my earrings on. But they're still here, so that is good. We're getting ready now to just about leave, so I'm gonna sign off the vlog here. I think. I don't know. And I will see you guys in the next one. You know? Also drop a like on the video if you're enjoying these things, you know. I had plans of doing more of these outdoor things, but as you can see, currently I'm still without a car. So when the car come back, if me not decide to sell it, then we'll do more of them things here. But I'm gonna have to watch a vlog them to kind of sustain the lifestyle, you know? So yeah, I think this is it for today. So look more, see?